Good morning. Today is my first day at school. I feel so excited. I wonder what school will be like. My new uniform looks nice. No! My backpack is ready. Oh! I am ready for school. Will I make new friends? Oh! Will my teacher be nice? I hope Lily will be there. Good morning, Mia. Good morning, Lily. Are you ready for school? I am excited to start school. Me too, but I feel a little nervous. Don't worry, we will do it together. Look, Mia, we are here. The school is so big. It will be fun. Come with me. There are so many children. I don't know anyone here. I'm right here with you. Take a deep breath, Mia. Okay, I can do this. Yes, we can do it together. Wow, look at these colorful walls. Our classroom must be nearby. I can't wait to see it. Mia, I think this is our classroom. Our first classroom. Good morning, girls. Come on in. Welcome to our classroom. Wow, it is beautiful. Look, Mia, there are empty seats.
Look at all the pictures. And there are so many books. I think I will like this classroom.
Can we sit here? Yes, let's sit together. This will be fun.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Welcome to your first day. Now, everyone will introduce themselves.
What if I make a mistake?
Just be yourself, Mia.
Mia, would you like to introduce yourself? Hello, my name is Mia. I am happy to be here. Hello, everyone. My name is Lily. I am excited to learn with you. Hi, Mia. Hi. Nice to meet you. See? You already made a friend. Everyone seems so friendly. I told you it would be okay. I'm glad we came together. I'm happy you are here, Mia. Thank you. I'm happy too. All right, everyone. Let's begin our first lesson.
Today, we will learn some easy English words.
I am ready.
Me too. Our first word is
Hello. Hello. Who can say hello? I can. Hello, everyone. I want to try. Go ahead, Mia. Wonderful, Mia.
Mia. Can you say our new word?
Hello.
Excellent, Mia.
Now, let's try a fun challenge. Wow. A challenge? That sounds exciting.
Work together and help each other.
Let's look at this card. We can solve it together. Oh no, I dropped the cards. It's okay, Mia. I'm sorry. Let's pick them up together. Thank you, Lily. Friends can help each other. Great job, everyone. The bell is ringing. Let's go to the playground. I want to see it. Come on. playground is beautiful. Look at that big slide. Let's play together. Lily, look over there. What did you see? That child is sitting alone. Hi, my name is Mia. Hello, Mia. I'm Lily. Nice to meet you. My name is Emma. It's nice to meet you, Emma. Would you like to play with us? Okay, I'll play with you. Yay! Come with us. Let's have fun together. Let's take turns. That's fair. This is fun. I'm glad we met today. Me too. Now I have new friends. The bell is ringing. Recess is over. Let's go back together. I like our school. Me too. And I like having friends here. What's that colorful box? I wonder what is inside. I have a special activity for you. Today, we will learn about friendship. Friendship means helping each other. Exactly, Mia. I was nervous this morning, too. Being kind helped me feel better. I'm glad you said hello. I can help now. You can, Mia. What is the answer? What makes someone a good friend? A good friend is kind. And a good friend helps others.
I learned that new things can feel scary, but being kind makes them easier.
That is a wonderful lesson, Mia.
You three showed wonderful kindness today.
We helped each other. And now we're friends. This was a wonderful first day. And it is only the beginning. I'm excited for tomorrow. See you tomorrow, Lily and Emma. See you tomorrow. I can't wait.